Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Today I'm going to do a finger food classic to go along with my last video that I put up, the taco cups. Hey, listen, it needs no introduction. Let me just show it to you. Mozzarella sticks. This is a very, very easy video recipe to follow. This can be made with prep time. You're going to spend about maybe 10 minutes getting everything prepped and ready to go into the pan. I'm gonna say the whole job, the whole complete cook should take about 20 minutes, and there you have it. Hey, great for us men that have bat caves, man caves. I like to invite my friends over. You know, we like to watch football whenever I'm in town. You know, watch football, racing. Hey, some people like to watch hunting. Whatever you do, invite your friends over in your space. It's your cave. Easy video recipe to follow. And, you know, great, keep a smile on everybody's face. Hey, ooey gooey. And, hey, no need to keep talking about it. Let's get right into it. Hey, one more time. Mozzarella sticks. Yes, sir. Let's go. Now, you take your mozzarella block, and then you cut it down into equal size. I try to cut it, you know, in 1-inch cube lengths. And here, it's real simple. You just put the mozzarella in the flour, and then from the flour, you add it into your eggs. You take your mozzarella, you know, you make sure it's completely covered with eggs, then you add them into the breadcrumbs. And then with your dry hand, you just roll them around, and then you put them on a plate. Now, just to show you again, mozzarella in the flour, and then from the flour we put it into the eggs, and then from the eggs we go into the breadcrumbs, and then we just repeat that process until they're all the way done, you know, till you're done. When you're done, they should look like that. That's the first time. Then we're going to double bread them. So we take the breaded ones, we go back into the eggs, and then from the eggs, we go back into the breadcrumbs. This ensures that we get complete coverage with breadcrumbs, and you have no spots missing. That gives us that nice crust. Then once you have them all, you know, double dipped, that's what they should look like. And then we put them in the oil at medium heat. Once you insert them in there, keep your eye on them, because it only takes like a minute or two, depending on how hot your grease is. Once they start turning golden brown, you want to remove them. I found out that even though you remove them when they're golden brown, they still cook a little bit when you put them on your napkin or your paper towel. And then when you're done, that's what they should look like. Nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. See you later.